Working with sprites. In this section, we are going to see how to work with multiple sprites in the shooting game we have been creating. Let's start by opening the Aim and Shoot project by double-clicking the Xcode project file. We can see the background sprite has been added to the scene already. Now let's add another sprite above this background image. First, we have to add the image we are using for the sprite to the project. Since we are adding the image as a sprite, let's duplicate the code we used for creating the background sprite. Now change the file name for the sprite to the new image file added. We can see that Xcode is showing some error at this point. This is because we have duplicate declaration of the background sprite. Let's set the sprite name for the new sprite to something else, and we can see that the error is gone. Since we want to specify the order of view of the new sprite, let's add the new child to the view using the addChildZ method. We will be able to specify the value for the Z ordering of the object as the parameter for the Z value in the method. Here let's give the Z value as 1. Since the image we are using for this sprite is of the resolution that is smaller than the current screen, let's not scale this sprite. Let's run the application and see the difference. We can see that the new sprite is appearing above the background sprite. Now, in order to make the image to the size we want it to be, use the scale property of sprite to reduce its size. Run the application, and we can see the size of the new sprite is changed. So in this section, we have seen how to add a sprite above another sprite in Cocos 2D.